Itinatago raw at pinagtatakpan ng Amerika ang katotohanan sa likod ng mga unidentified flying objects o UFO. Pinatotohanan ito ng ilang nakakita ng umano'y alien. Nagbabalik si Gerard de la Peña.
Totoo ang aliens at matagal na itong alam ng gobyerno ng Amerika. Yan ang matapang na isiniwalat ng tatlong whistleblower sa pagdinig ng US House Oversight Subcommittee on Unidentified Anomalous Phenomena o UAP. Isinagawa ito kasunod ng mga pahayag na itinatago sa Kongreso ang impormasyon ukol sa sinasabing extraterrestrial life. Kwento ng dating US Navy pilot na si Ryan Graves, madalas daw sila makakita ng mga unidentified flying object o UFO.
They are grossly underreported. These sightings are not rare or isolated, they are routine.
Unang beses daw na nakakita si Graves ng UFO noong 2014 sa Virginia Beach. Dumalas daw ang nakita nilang UFO matapos ma-upgrade ang kanilang jet radars. Sa isang training mission pa raw, mala gray o black cube na balot ng malinaw na bagay ang lumapit sa kanila.
Our squadron submitted a safety report, but there was no official acknowledgement of the incident and no further mechanism to report the sightings.
Ang isa pang whistleblower na si retired US Navy Commander David Fravor natsyempohan ng isang puting bagay na lumulutang sa gitna ng San Diego coast.
All four of us on the back seat looked down a small, saw a white tic-tac object moving very abruptly over the water like a ping-pong ball.
Lumapit din daw ito sa kanila at biglang nawala. Ang dating intelligence officer namang si David Grush, kumbinsidong may hawak raw na alien materials ang US government. Mula raw yan sa mga crash site ng ilang UFO na kinokolekta at sinusubukang mapakinabangan ulit.
I like to use the term non-human. I don't like to denote origin. Keeps the aperture open, both scientifically.
Kasunod ng mga isiniwalat ng mga whistleblower, nanawagan sila sa US government na maging transparent. Naniniwala kasi silang banta sa seguridad ng Amerika ang mga naturang UFO. Sa ngayon, isinusulong sa US Congress ang paggawa ng proseso para sa reporting ng UFO sightings. Nagbabalita mula sa frontline, Gerard de la Peña, News 5.
Political grapevine. Our top story today was Iran taunting the U.S. over the sanctions negotiations. Now, an Iranian news agency is making some other accusations about the U.S., and they're interesting. The Washington Post writes FARS, which describes itself as Iran's leading independent news agency, claims documents leaked by Edward Snowden provide, quote, incontrovertible proof that an alien or extraterrestrial intelligence agenda is driving U.S. domestic and international policy. One Washington Post blogger wrote that while the story is entertaining and filled with bizarre conspiracy theories, quote, this is a reminder of how some hardliners